Hi everyone, tonight I will show you how I attach my tube together. First I close the end of it and then I put them together like this and make sure that the rows are not twisted. So I will grab with my hook one stitches like this and go grab another one on the other side and come back. I will do that like every 2 rows, so every 2 stitch, 1 2 and the other one. So I will do that till the end of the tube. It's an idea to make some baby blanket or just blanket, or for doing a shawl or scarf when you have an adipro, so it gives you more option for your future project. So hope this helped you a little bit. I will continue to attach it, so if you don't get it right now, maybe you get it in a couple of minutes later. Very important to grab one in the side, one in the other side. Hope this week video will help you. We are in the first week of October and I decided to do a little quick video to help. So hope this one was good for you. They are quick, not too long, and sometimes it's the only thing that we need, just a little help. There, and when I get there, I will get a little piece of yarn because it's a live stitch. I don't want to lose it, so that way it'll be there when I go close the end of the tube that is still having some waste yarn on it. So I do the other side the same way. I go a little bit faster. I will show you the 3 pieces together after. Could be a nice idea to do a scarf like that. There, almost there. It's better if you keep it in your hands like I did on the video, so that way you have you follow the same stitch both sides and it's not like too long at the end. So that's it for this video. It's a short one. Wish you a good night. Now I have to hide all my little